As you can see, this is the HollyLand Lark M1. Now we're doing the unboxing and let's see what's in the box. First thing is the case that you can charge your 2 transmitters and your receivers in. It's pretty sturdy, pretty solid, feels good. We also get out of the box 2 dead cats, which is really helpful outside. We also get a USB-C cord as well. We get a 3.5mm TRS to TRRS patch cable so you can connect this to your phone. They also provide you with an extra one so that you can attach it to your camera, which is great. Alright, so right now you're just hearing it straight from my iPhone 13. I have not plugged in the lavalier mic, so this is straight just from the iPhone 13. Alright, so as you can see, I do have the lavalier mic. Oh my goodness, I always struggle with that word. But I do have the mic on from HollyLand, the M1, and this is how it sounds. Let me know in the comments if it sounds good, if it sounds any better than the iPhone 13. Alright, and now as you can see, it is now green because that means I have the noise cancellation on. So hopefully this sounds pretty good. Usually I have the train running in the background, but the train hasn't passed yet. So I can't really test that out, but we're gonna actually bring this outside and we're gonna see how it sounds with and without the noise cancellation. Let's go. All right, so right now I don't have, as you can see, it's blue, so which means I don't have the noise cancellation on. It's windy and I'm actually near the beach right now, if you can see in the background, and I don't have a wind cat on here right now. It's in my pocket, but I don't actually have it out, so this is how it sounds, just straight up with the microphone near my mouth. Now I'm gonna put on the noise cancellation and we'll see how that one sounds. Alright, so as you can see, it's green and it's still cold, and this is with the noise cancellation on, and we're gonna actually put on the wing cat and see if that makes any difference. Alright, so right now I'm a little further away from it, but right now I do have the noise cancellation on with this also on top of it, so I don't know if that really makes a difference, but we'll see when we play this later and I listen to it. But for now I'm gonna actually turn off the noise cancellation and we'll see how it sounds. I'm also gonna be moving back for a little bit. Hopefully there's no cutting out and you could still hear me. Hopefully this sounds still good. Again, I don't have noise cancellation on and the wind is around you. The water is splashing near me, so there's a lot of noise. Cars driving on the left of me, so there is a lot of noise. But hopefully this still sounds good. Now, for the fun of it, I'm just gonna go up here and we're gonna still be walking further and further back. Hopefully I'm not cutting and hopefully I don't fall, but we're moving further and further away. We will see. All right, I'm a little bit further and I hope that you guys can still hear me. Again, this is just a first impression as well as an unboxing, so hopefully this sounds good and maybe it's something you'll consider over the Rode mic wireless or DJI's wireless mic, but for the price, hopefully it's worth it. I got this on sale. It's usually $180. But I was able to get this on Amazon for about $120 because it was on sale, and the sale is actually still going. So if you like the quality from this, it might be something you may want to consider. All right, so we're finally back inside where it is warm and I'm not cold anymore. But again, that was just a quick first impressions and unboxing of this. I'll be doing a full review later down the road. But again, thank you for subscribing to the channel. And if you're new, hit that like button as I appreciate it a lot. We are on the road to 1,000 and we've been gaining a lot of traction. So again, I just want to thank you guys again for all that you've done for me. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.